What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. As you guys can see, I'm in the 2022 Mega Cab. If you guys didn't watch that last video of me doing a quick walk around of the brand new truck, you're probably super confused, so go back, make sure you watch that video, and it'll probably make a lot more sense. I'll probably throw a card up at the top and have it linked down below in the description. So I'm currently on my way to work right now. The guys in the shop, I guess, freed up some time. They should be able to get the leveling kit in the truck today. So I figured I would do a video of it. So I will try to kind of update, as Brad's probably going to be the one putting the leveling kit in. I'll try to get some updates from him throughout the process. I mean, I will be at work, so I won't be able to just step away whenever I want in case something pops up. But yeah, the plan is get the leveling kit on, get the truck aligned, and then hopefully get the 20x12s on the 35's put on the truck today. So hopefully by the end of this video, the truck will be sitting a little bit prettier. All right, so it's been a couple of days. Was super busy, didn't get any footage of Brad putting the leveling kit in the truck, but I'll give you a quick walk around of it. So as you can see, the leveling kit is in. I just got the truck undercoated, so there's a bunch of stuff sticking to it because the roads are kind of wet and crappy outside. But as you can see here, we got the old wheels and tires off my old truck. They're going on the new 110. So I'll get some footage of these going on, and then I'll get some footage of it getting dropped, and then I'll do a quick walk around once we get it back outside. Alright, as you guys seen, wheels and tires are on the truck. We've had some crap weather here. It's end of winter, early spring here in Michigan. Truck's behind me. As you can see, it's super dirty from these tires flinging everything up. This is just from pretty much, I got a 7-mile drive home last night and then 7-mile drive into work. But as you can see, it's pretty dirty. It does rub pretty bad. With the 2.5-inch rough country leveling kit, there's some people saying that it's slight rub at full lock. Determined that was a lie. It has a little bit of rub right up in here, and then right on this cover, this is like a little splash guard, but right behind it's the pinch weld, so it actually rubs right down in there. I mean, you can kind of see where it was at. So you get just over 1 full turn, so it's about like my 10 4th gen was, with a 3-inch lift on it. Same tire setup. I mean, it's pretty much the same thing with a 2.5-inch level. Really no difference. But yeah, I think it looks good. Mega Cab, 5th gen, leveled on 35's. 20x12s, -44 offset. Yeah, figure I'd do a quick video. I know the truck's real dirty. I'll probably do another video on it once it's cleaned up, going over more of what it costs for the wheels and tires, the leveling kit, and how much it rubs. I'll have either the wife or someone hop in it, turn the wheel back and forth, and so you can kind of see where it rubs and whatnot. But yeah, I think it looks good. If you guys like this video, please smash that like button. It means a lot, helps the channel out a lot, and it costs you guys literally nothing. If you have any questions, drop them down below in the comments. But yeah, until next time, I'm out.